Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn the fun project we can say that is called as a riddle game. Here what we are doing means we are giving a question, like it is not a simple question, it is the trickiest question we can say. Means we are not directly asking a question. We are giving some trickiest question and user need to answer that question. If the user is given a wrong answer, then we can give an hint, and if the answer is correct, then we can provide a point for that one. This is called as a riddle game, and here we can build the Java fundamentals. So let's go. What are the things we can use here means we can use a array concepts, and we can use a while and loops we can use, and we can see the some of the core concept here. So let's go and build. So first go to the file, and here Java project. We will provide a project name as a okay project we will give. Click on next and finish. We will provide one class, Java class. Okay, here we will give a riddle game and public static void main. Okay, let's go and we will build the concepts here. First, what we are going to take means we will take one variable called as a score, and we will assign a 0 to it. If the answer is correct, then score will be the increase, right? So that I will take one variable called as a score, and we will assign a 0 to it. We will take one array of the type string we can say, because here we are providing the riddle, right? Means questions we are providing, right? So we will take here string and the riddle, and here we will provide some questions here. So let's go. You can give any riddles here. I will give 1 2 to 3. Say I have given here some riddles, means it is the questions, means it is a not directly asking we a question, it is a some of the trickiest question we can say, means we are indirectly asking a question. So it is of the type string, so we are taken a string and here a array. Okay, then we are taken one variable called as a riddle. Okay, and it has some answer, right? So that we are taking one more array, it is of the type string itself, and here we will take answer. Here we are taken an array, it is of the type string, and we are given an answer for this riddle. And if the answer is wrong, means user need to enter the answer right here. If the user enter the wrong answer, then we need to give some hint, right? So for that we will take one more array, it is of the type string itself, hints. See, I will explain once again. Here we are taken one variable called as a score. It is of the type integer. We are initializing it to 0. Initially it is the 0. If a user giving an correct answer, then this score will be incremented, right? So initially it is 0. So we are taken as a 0. Then we are taken a array. It is of the type string. We are taken a 3 arrays. One is the riddle, where we are provided an riddle, means questions we are provided. Here it is of the type string itself, it is consisting of array answers, right? For the riddle we are given an answer here, and here we are given a hints, right? We are taken a 3 array we can say. So let's go. We need to take a riddle length, right? Means how many riddles are there, right? So for that how we are going to take means we will take a int, and the number of riddles. Here the riddle dot length. Here what it is going to give means, here we are taken a riddles, right? Questions we are taken. This length means how many riddles are there. This length it is going to provide, riddle dot length, it is going to provide how many riddles are there. Right here 3 is there, so that is will be stored in the number of riddles. So next we will take a while loop, and we will provide here a true. Need to repeat the same thing, so that's why I have taken an while loop. So until it is the true, the user want to repeatedly play the game. For that we can hear a while loop. Until user want to play, we can repeatedly run this loop, we can say that one. So here I will take one. You need to first, it is going to show one riddle, right? One question initially it is going to show, and we need to take the answer from the user, right? So first we need to, what we are going to do means, we need to show one riddle, right? How we are going to show means, randomly any one of the riddle we need to show, right? For that one we will take any random riddle and we need to show that one. How we can take that one means, randomly how we can show one riddle, that thing how we can do that one means, we are having a, okay, I will take a int and the random index. Then here what we can do means, math dot random, and here we need to multiply it with the number of riddles, right? Riddles. Okay, I will tell you here, math dot random means it is going to provide a decimal number, means 0.021, right? It is going to provide a decimal number. So then we are, need to take a number of riddles, how many riddles are there, that we need to take here, and we need to multiply both, and we will get one decimal value. So we need to convert it into the integer. So we are taking here as a int, means we are typecasting it, we can say. Here we are getting a decimal, and here we are going to convert it into the integer. So this is how we can do that one. Means what it is going to provide means, it is randomly give one index value, means it can give a 0 or it can give a 2. Randomly it is going to provide an index. According to that index we are going to provide a riddle, means we are going to provide a question for the, here for the user. So we are taking one random index value we are taking for the riddle. So this is about math.random. Okay, then here we need to take one question, right, from here riddle. So we will take this index value and we are going to show one riddle for the user. How we are going to do means, we will take one variable, a riddle. Then here we will take a, if we want to take any of the values from the array, we need an index value, right? So we need to give here an index value, whatever here generated, right? That we are, that one we are providing here, random index. So we are providing that one, and here we are, okay, riddle. What we are going here, what we are doing here means, we are taking one random index value. Then here using that random index value we will pick one riddle question, right? Riddle we are going to pick here, right? That one we need to show to the user. Okay, before that we will pick a answer. According to the riddle we will pick an answer also, we will pick an hint also. Okay, let's do that one. String, and the correct answer I will take, correct answer. And here array name is answer, right? answers. Here the index value we need to take here, right? That is random index. Why I have taken, I will explain now. See, we are taken a riddle question, right? Here we are taken a riddle, and here at that index, at the same index, we need to provide an answer also. Here the riddle of 0 means I speak without a mouth, and here without a ears I have no body, but I came alive with the wind. What I am? For this question we need to give an answer here with the same index we need to provide. Means for this question we need to provide our answer with the same index value. It is 0 means it is also 0. This answer should be present in answer of 0. So that's why we are taken a random index here. Okay, then same here also. If the question is riddle of 0 in the present in the index of 0 means for this riddle the hint should be present in the hints of 0 index only. If you are pick the here this question means it is present in the index of 2, right? So the answer will be present in the 2 index only, and the hint will be present in the 2 index only. This is how it is going to be pick answer and pick a hint according to that riddle. So we will take one more variable hint we will take, and we need to pick an hint, right? Hints of same random index. I think so. Okay, RA, right here also random index. Okay, here we are taken a riddle and we are taken a answer for that riddle, we are taken a hint for that riddle. Then we will take a next. What we will take means we will show the answer, means we will show the question for the users, right? So we will print a question here. So question will be present in the selected riddle, right? So we need to print that one. So I will give one sentence here. A riddle. Okay, I will take in the next line itself. The question will be shown here. We will print here the selected riddle. Okay, then we need to, after showing a riddle means after showing a question, we need to pick a answer, right, from the user. So we will take an scanner. Okay, here we will create an scanner object. Scanner scan equal to new scanner, and here the system dot in. Then we need to import the scanner. Then we will take a answer from the user. It is of the type, and the user answer whatever the user is entering. Scanner dot next inch, sorry, next line, right? Next line. See what we are given, scan, just scan. Okay, here we are taking an user answer and we are stored it in one variable called as a user answer. Okay, after showing a riddle question and we are taking a answer from the user and we are storing here, we need to compare, right, whatever the user entered and whatever we are stored, right, answer, correct answer, right? We need to compare that one, both we need to compare. If that is correct, then we need to increment a score, right? So how we are going to do that one means we will take one if condition and we will compare both the user entered answer and whatever we are stored correct answer. Both we need to compare here. I will here. Then what we are going to do means if the user entered in the capital letter or the lower letter, whatever, we need to ignore those cases, right? So what we are going to take here means equals ignore case. And here the correct answer, right? Okay. Here what we are doing means we will take a user answer and we are ignoring the cases, means if the user entered in the uppercase or lowercase and mixed case, we are ignoring that cases and we are comparing both the correct answer and whatever the user entered answer. We are comparing it if both are correct. Then what we are going to do means we will provide one sentence correct. And here we need to increment a score, right? Okay. If the user entered answer and the here whatever we are stored the correct answer, right? If both are wrong means if the user entered the wrong answer, what we are going to do means we will print one sentence like wrong answer, then we will ask the user you want a hint or what, like that we are going to ask that one. So I will give one sentence here, means whatever you entered the answer it is a wrong, right? So we will give that one wrong. Could you like a hint? Here give S or no. If you want a hint, enter this S, or if you don't want, enter no. We will provide one instruction also. We will provide you whatever you entered, it is wrong, right? So whatever the user is entering, we will collect that one, means user entering yes or no, right? So we will collect that one, scan dot next line, and here what we are going to do means whatever the user entered, right, yes or no, we will convert it to lowercase, so we will get a clarity, right? And here the we will convert it to lowercase. Then here if the given hint dot equals, it is yes, what we are going to do means given no given. Okay, here we are taken you want a hint or not. If the user entered yes or no, we are converting it to the lowercase and we are comparing here. If the user entered yes, then we need to print an hint, right? User need a hint, so we will print that one. We will print a hint, right? Here we are stored that hint, right? We are printing that one. So if user don't want, then we will skip this part. Then here we will ask the user you want to continue or not. Continue playing. Yes or no. Okay, whatever the user is entering, we are collecting it and store it in one variable called as a play again equal to scan dot next line, and we will ignore the cases, right? Means we are converting it to the lower cases, so while we are comparing it should be easy for us. So we will take the whatever the user entered. If the user want to play, then he will enter the S, or if don't want, then enter the no, right? That thing we are taking here and we are converting it to the lower case. Then here we will give one condition here, play again dot equals S. See here, we are comparing whatever the user entered here, right? We will assume that whatever the user is entered, we are converting it to the lowercase, we are storing here, and we are comparing here with the S. If user want to continue, we will take a not equal. So if the user entered S, then it will be opposite, right? Means not equal, right? Play again dot equals S, right? Means if it is a false, that time we are coming inside this loop and we are breaking this one. Means if the condition is wrong, that time we are coming inside this if condition and we are breaking that one, right? Means user is entered and S, that time what we are going to do means we are not coming inside this loop, and after that we will come here and we will print one thing. Here we are asking a user you want to continue the game or not. If user want to continue, then he will enter the S, right? If the user entered S, we are going inside again and we are starting from here, right? We are generating one random index value. According to that index value, we are providing the riddle, and here we are taking answer and hint. We are providing and riddle and we are taking a answer from the user and we are comparing it. We are incrementing the score. Like that we are doing repeatedly things. If user don't want to continue the game, he will enter the no. That time this condition will be true, right? That time we are breaking this one and we are coming out of this while loop, and we are providing a final score, right? Your final score, and here the score we will provide. Then we will provide a thank you. Thanks for playing. So let's go and run the code. Let's see what is happening. Okay, we will show view and console. Okay, here we are providing a riddle. Here the more you take, the more you leave behind what I am. It is asking a question, right? It is a riddle, we can see, right? So it is asking a answer from the user. The user need to enter the answer here. We know that the answer is the footsteps, but we will give an wrong answer. Let's take an echo. We will enter and see here wrong. Would you like a hint? Yes, I will give. Then it is going to provide a hint. Think about what you leave behind when you walk, right? S. Continue playing. Yes, I want to continue. Then here the riddle, it is asking again. I speak without a mouth and hear without a ears. I have no body, but I can alive with the wind. What I am. Okay, I will give a correct answer. Go. See, correct. Continue playing. No, I don't want to continue. So the final score is 1, and thanks for playing. This is we are built using one core concepts. That's it. Let's go and understand once again the code. Here we are included a scanner object because we need to take an answer from the user. That's why we are taken here the scanner, and we are taken a score variable and we are initialize it to 0, right? If the user correct entered the correct answer, then it should be incremented, right? So initially it is a 0 and we are taken a 3 array, all or the string type, right? Here we are provided a riddles and here we are provided answer, here we are provided a hint. Then after that, here we are taken a length of that riddle, how much questions we are provided here, right? That length we are taken here. Now it is the 3, right? The length is 3, right? Here we are taken that length and we are storing here in the number num riddles, and we are taken one while loop, and here we are generating a random index by using a mat.random, and here we are whatever the random index we are generated, through that we are picking one random riddle and we are picking the answer according to that riddle, and we are picking one hint according to that one, and here we are printing that riddle. Then after that, here we are taking a answer from the user, then we are checking here the whatever the user entered answer and the correct answer both are equal or not. If both are equal, we are entering means printing as a correct and we are incrementing the score. If not, then what we are going here means we are printing what wrong answer, then you need a hint or not. If he need a hint, then we will provide s, and here we will print an hint, right? Then after that we are asking you want to continue or not. If he want to continue, then we will do the same thing. If he don't want to continue, then we are breaking that one and we are coming outside the while loop and we are printing a final score and thank you message we are printing. Here see, you can optimize this one in a good way and you can improve that one also. I want you should do that one. You guys should try that one. I will give you an hint how you can do that one. Here we are taken a score also, right? We are incrementing it and we are taking this one, right? So what you can do means you can take the answer also, you can compare that one also, and you can give, if first time itself he entered the correct answer, the score should be 3, or okay, first time itself he entered the correct answer means score should be 3. If he entered the wrong answer, then he tried to take one more attempt, that time the score is not 3, right? Because he is trying second time, right? So that time score should be the less, to 2, right? So like that you can optimize it and you can try more things here. And here we are just printed an hint and we are not trying again, right? The same question we are not trying again to solve that one. You can do that one here. So that thing you can do, try to do it by yourself. I will provide a answer in the caption also. If you want, you can check that one. First try to solve it by yourself. If you don't get that one, later you can check that one. And if you done by yourself, that is a good, and try to compare with my code and your code. So this is about one project, a riddle game. It is by we are using simple core concepts, we can say that. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comments. See you in the next.